You know that stress causes your body to store belly fat? Now, most people say it's just because of an increased amount of calories, which, yes, if you're constantly overeating, that causes stress to your body, kicks in your hormones, and you probably are going to store fat. But even if your calories are on point, you'll still store fat because of stress. And the reason why is because you get elevated cortisol, which cortisol then breaks down your muscle tissue, causes insulin resistance, increases your inflammation, all of which slow your metabolic rate down, store belly fat, and cause a whole host of problems. But your fat cells actually have neural connection, which means that your brain and your fat cells are communicating. So when you're stressed, your fat cells do their job to keep you alive. Part of that is inhibiting your metabolism and making you store fat. So what do we do about this? One of the things that I recommend to my clients is managing their stress through food. Now, I know that sounds crazy because we're talking about stress and food, but remember, the problems with stress are things like blood sugar imbalances, inflammation, cortisol, etc. And there's foods that actually cause those things. So part of what we need to do is we need to eliminate or minimize the foods that cause the stress. So that's all your processed foods, stimulants, sugar, alcohol, processed flour, processed sugar, processed oil, all that kind of stuff, right? Now, I'm not saying you can never have it, just the more often you eat it, the more stress you're going to experience to your body. And then instead, we need to replace it with whole, real foods, fruits, veggies, proteins, healthy fats, even finding options that are better and less processed of the things that you already enjoy. And by using food to help balance out your body, your blood sugars, your hormones, your inflammation, etc., you have a powerful, powerful tool to being able to actually lose that weight and keep it off.